Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Leifheit LinoProtect 400. It is a Deluxe Rotary washing line, air, rare, dry, 40 meter. The product code is 82100, a rotary dryer with an umbrella. The Leifheit LinoProtect 400 now provides the cover our laundry needs. Whatever the rain or shine, the clothes remain dry as well as vibrant. Protected from bleaching rays too. The LinoProtect is the enhanced addition to Leifheit's outdoor rotary era range. With Leifheit's experience, highly functional and well-designed outdoor laundry rotaries, the LinoProtect is another clever and trusted solution to meet the daily change at home quickly and effortlessly. Supplied by Leifheit in Germany for over 50 years, Leifheit has been one of the leading suppliers of household goods in Europe for cleaning, laundry, care, and kitchen products. The products are easy to use, work reliably, are made from enhanced materials for durability, and offer different practical performance. With their high quality, they make life in the home easier and more convenient, giving us more time for the things we love. With integrated waterproof cover for drying the laundry. The canopy protects the laundry and lines from rain, bleaching UV ultraviolet rays, dirt and dust. Extends the outdoor drying season and ensure fresh smelling the laundry from spring into autumn. Secure hold even in strong wind thanks to its sturdy design and patent lift-off protection. 40-meter line lengths for approximately 4 machine loads, including 8 cloth hanger holders for gentle drying of blouses, shirts and t-shirts. And it's included the ground sleeve. The dimensions are 204.5 to 17 to 17.5 centimeters. That's a really awesome thing, as you can see. And it works easily. Okay, you can see it is really easy. We are now going to look for a place with sufficient space to that the rotary dryer can freely spin. We should not place it underneath trees. It is mandatory to use the provided Leifheit ground socket with a cover because only this mounting socket guarantees a dependable lift-off protection for the rotary dryer in windy conditions. Already existing Leifheit mounting sockets must be checked for damage and stable support before use, as well as the respective fit of the cover. Space requirements are provided, of course, on the package. So there we are, we have found it, and now we can start to make the nice dimension, the socket for this. So we found it, and now we are going to make a nearly 25 centimeters hole deep, and it is 30 centimeters each wide area. So 30 centimeters wide, 25 centimeters approximately deep. That means this is the bottom space, the ground protection, the hub for our new Leifheit LinoProtect 400 Deluxe Rotary Washing Line Air Dryer, 40 meter. Let's take the shovel and let's dig a hole. As you can see, it's really easy. We start with a shovel and we are now performing this hoist for the Leifheit LinoProtect 400 easily and fast. If we finish the work, we have to control the dimensions again to look that the hole is big enough to let a good host, a good hub for our Leifheit LinoProtect 400 Deluxe Rotary washing line air dryer. Here you can see it's done. So next step is really easy. There it is. This is the bottom support unit, which we have to get into the center. And of course, we have to get this in the middle of the area. And then we start, for example, by using that awesome thing. This is quick set. This is a quick attaching and easy making concrete alternative way. But you can do the same with standard concrete. We have to mix about 20 liters. These are 2 buckets of concrete with some water to make it slightly moist. 5 parts sand to 1 part cement. We have set the mounting socket into the hole and then we fill the hole with the concrete. Or, as you can see, with that awesome magic liquid, you will see it now. It is like water here, you can see, okay? The good old mounting socket is in the center, and now it will begins to grow. But before this, we have to enter again. That means we make sure that the mounting socket is centered and straight. We have to test this by inserting the closest dryer and checking that it's the vertical with the spirit level. And now you can see it is gaining enough to fill up the hole. So here we are. Now we can remove it, the Leifheit LinoProtect, of course, and we are now supporting this bottom unit into the right direction. We are going to use for this thumbsticks. You can use also you do not have to use 2 levels. You can do this by using some wood parts to press them back in position. And then it's important to let the concrete or this liquid super fast concrete rest for a lot of days in concrete way. And if this is done, that means let the concrete set for a few days or according to the reference of the correct package, of course. And then it's time to get back to the last step. You can see it is really like concrete, okay? And this was only 1.5 hours after applying, okay? Now it's job done for me. If you are going to use concrete, it will cost you 2 days, okay? Now we can get back the grass on the ground again. And if this grass is back on the ground, we are ready to use the Leifheit LinoProtect 400 Deluxe Rotary washing line air dryer. Really easy. It's easy, really. The only thing you have to do is pull on the line and pull, and then it is done. After you pulled out the line, it's completed, unfolded, and you can start to use the Leifheit LinoProtect 400. That's really awesome. And of course, it is really important that if you are entering the Leifheit LinoProtect into the bottom unit, you have to lock it. Because of this, you will need an original thing of it, and then you can lock it by using this lock system. It's really smart designed by Leifheit here, and then that it is. Then you can have a lot of fun, and that's really awesome to dry your clothes in the nature without bird poo, without rain, without so much solar energy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.